How to log into British Airways account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and then type in British Airways and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, britishairways.com. Just click on it. Click on the option of Accept All. You will land to the login page. Now at the top right corner, you're going to see the option of login. Go ahead and click on it. Once you're in the login page, now here you have to type in your credentials to log into your account. Go ahead and type in the email, username or the membership number. Then type in the password. Then you have to verify you are a human. If you have forgotten your password, you can go ahead and click on the option of Forget Password to recover it. After you fill this, click on Continue, and just for that, you will be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into British Airways account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.